Good morning, my dear students. Have a great day. Previous class, we discussed the supplementary story, The Envious Neighbor. Now, we are going to see the first prose learning the game, the Sachin Tendulkar's autobiography. Before enter into the lesson, we see a small thought as well as an interesting fact. Are you ready, students? How others see you is not important. Yes, my dear student, nobody live your life. You only the person to live your life. So don't give ears to others' thought. How you see yourself means everything. Absolutely true, my dear student. How you see yourself mean everything. What is determined you, what you are, what is the thought of you is most important than others' thought. Keep it in your mind. And today we are going to see one interesting fact, that is, we know well that we inhale the oxygen and exhale the carbon dioxide. It is the common for all living organisms, especially in all living organisms in our earth. But the cow is different. The cows always inhale and exhale oxygen continuously. It's not only the good animal but also the useful animal too. Okay, students, shall we go to the lesson? The first lesson, learning the game, Sachin Tendulkar's autobiography. Biography and autobiography are the two important literary forms. What is the difference? The autobiography is that a person writes about himself or herself by own, that is called by autobiography, and the biography means a person writes about the others, that is called biography. That is the difference between biography and autobiography. Okay, are you ready, students? Before enter the lesson, shall we see about Sachin Tendulkar? You know well about Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He is a former Indian cricketer and captain, widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketers of all time. He made an impact in cricket from a very early age. அவருடைய கிரிக்கெட் விளையாட ஆரம்பிச்சது very early ageலேருந்தே, displaying a prodigious talent. The world famous cricketer has set many records in his career and is considered as one of the greatest batsmen of all time. He was the only player to have secured and scored 100 international centuries. 100 international centuries அவர் அடிச்சிருக்காரு. The first to score double century in a one-day international and the only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. He had 664 international cricket matches. In total, scoring 34,357 runs. 2012, Tendulkar was nominated to Rajya Sabha. He retired from cricket on 16th November 2013. Learning game is the extract from his autobiography, Playing It My Way. Keep it in your mind, students. Playing It My Way is the autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar. And he is known as Little Master or Master Blaster and often referred to as the God of Cricket. In 2001, Sachin Tendulkar became the first batsman to complete 10,000 ODI runs in 259 innings. In 2002, halfway through his career, he was ranked the second greatest test batsman of all time, behind Don Bradman. டான் பிராட்மேனுக்கு அடுத்தபடியாக டெஸ்ட் மேட்ச்சில் பெஸ்ட் பேட்ஸ்மேனாக இவரை சூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. அண்ட் த செகண்ட் கிரேட்டஸ்ட் ஓடிஐ பேட்ஸ்மேன் ஆஃப் ஆல் டைம், விவ் ரிச்சர்ட்ஸ். அவர் பாருங்கள், அந்த ஃபஸ்ட் ஃபோட்டோவில் இருக்கிறது மிஸ்டர் விவ் ரிச்சர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் செகண்ட் ஃபோட்டோவில் இருக்கிறது தான் த கிரேட் பேட்ஸ்மேன் டான் பிராட்மேன். Tendulkar was a part of Indian team that won the 2011 World Cup. Tendulkar's special. Tendulkar received the Arjuna Award in 1994 for his outstanding sporting achievement. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1997, India's highest sporting honor, and the Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan awards in 1999 and 2008. 1999 Padma Shriயும் 2008 Padma Vibhushanum அவர் வாங்கியிருக்கார். And he was awarded with Bharat Ratna in 2013. He is the youngest recipient to date. இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் பாரத் ரத்னா வாங்கியிருக்கிறதுல யங்கஸ்ட் ரெசிபியன்னா நம்ம சச்சின் டெண்டுல்கர் தான். அண்ட் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எவர் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்மேன் டு ரிசீவ் த அவார்ட். டெண்டுல்கர் வாஸ் நாமினேட்டட் டு ராஜ்யசபா, த அப்பர் ஹவுஸ் ஆஃப் த பார்லிமெண்ட் ஆஃப் இந்தியா. Now going to the lesson. All of you, please bring your book and come to the page number 1. From a very early age, I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. I loved watching cricket on television, and in our games, I often tried to emulate the mannerisms of my favorite players, Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards.
Sachin loved more Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards because both of them were admired by our Sachin Tendulkar. But it wasn't just the batsmen that I studied. Sachin Tendulkar didn't watch not only the batsmen but also he loved bowling and he watches bowling too. Throughout my career, that means Sachin's career, I have actually bowled a lot in nets. Sachin bowled so many exercises about the bowling through nets. That's why he says I have actually bowled a lot in nets. Come to the next one. I was then studying in New York School, Mumbai, but my brother Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Sardashram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakant Acharekar sir, very important name, Ramakant Acharekar sir was the cricket coach, gave due importance to game of cricket. Now Sachin Tendulkar during that time studied in school in Mumbai, but compared to other schools, Sardashram Vidya Mandir, only the school gave much importance the game of cricket than other schools. The reason is Ramakant Acharekar sir is the important coach and he was coaching students very well cricket. That's why he ran summer camps too, and Sachin came run summer camps too with Acharekar sir. Ajit one day, who is Ajit? Yes, brother one day took me to the camp to get trained under sir. Here sir mean Acharekar sir. Yes, one day Ajit brought him to under sir. Anyone could come for a trial at the camp. In the camp, anyone can attend because it's a summer camp, you know. That's why. The same way, Sachin also entered the camp too. But then it was up to sir to decide who to accept, whoever to participate. But the Acharekar sir only decide who will play there. I was 11 years old then. At the time, Sachin Tendulkar was only 11 years old. Acharekar sir, as I refer to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943. The same as Acharekar sir also started his journey, the cricket field, in 1943 at the age of 11. The same way Sachin also started his cricket at the age of 11. It's a small comparison. Why? Because the both important person started their career at the age of 11. One is 1943, that is Acharekar sir, and during the time for Sachin Tendulkar, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. The same way, at the age of 11, he met Acharekar sir in the summer camp. I had never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. The still before Sachin didn't bat at the net, so he get feared because so many people are louding around. When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable. That's why Sachin feel uncomfortable with sir watching me so closely. But Achareka sir was watching keen to Sachin Tendulkar. With Sir watching me so closely, I failed to make an impact. Sir called Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp. But Achureka sir called my brother and told I am so young. That means Sachin was too young to the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was a little older. That means கொஞ்சம் வயசுக்கு அப்புறம் கொண்டு போட்டோம். My induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure, but he expected more while he brought the bat, but all in vain. The execution was failure. Having seen me play in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Achareka sir. But my brother Ajit believed me so much. So he explained that I was nervous and asked sir to give me one more opportunity because Ajit know the capable of Sachin Tendulkar. So he asked one more opportunity to Achareka sir to prove himself. That means prove myself, Sachin Tendulkar's talent. However, he suggested that while doing so, sir should pretended to go away and then watch from a distance. However, he suggested that while doing so, sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. Achareka sir offered him because Sachin got nervous. That's why Achareka sir decided to get a distance and watching him and his strategy. So sir agreed. In this case, sir agreed. That means Achareka sir accepted. Okay, fine. I am going to a distance and watch you like that. Before long, I was asked to bat again. Without sirs scrutinizing me or so, I thought I felt more at ease. Now Sachin feel at ease because Zoon started to hit the ball well. Now Sachin feel totally free and hit the ball well. This time, sir agreed to let me join the camp. After the hitting, Achareka sir accepted Sachin to be in the camp. I was delighted and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. That is the exact point. My life has been transformed, told by Sachin Tendulkar. That is a place he transformed as a well cricketer. The camp involved a session every morning at evening at Shivaji Park. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. That means 3 hours in the morning. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. After practicing the whole day, I was exhausted. That means getting overtired. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra. So, in Bandra to the exact Shivaji Park for 40 minutes travel. I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. So, Sachin wished to be in on time. In fact, he get the bus early morning itself. The training period was so hard to Sachin Tendulkar because morning 7:30 to 10:30 and also the evening section. That means after the lunch. So the practice till evening, from afternoon to evening. The same way, he wished to be 7:30 in Shivaji Park. He must be get ready early morning from his home. That's why For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. So, making me to be a routined person, Ajit helped me at first. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuances of batting. Very important word, nuances. That means நுணுக்கங்கள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம், that is called nuances. So the batting ஓட நுணுக்கங்கள். And I always enjoyed these conversation a lot because Sachin always willing to be a best batsman. So he enjoyed the conversation. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some about birding. Okay, students, this is an important thing because Ajit gave Sachin a lot of tricks and methods of batting. So it is more useful to Sachin Tendulkar. It served as a very personal coaching manual to Sachin Tendulkar. As a child, I had only one set of cricket cloths, and the routine was to wash them as soon as I would return from the morning session. So every day he has a complication that he has only one set of cricket wearing. So he after the morning session he should washing the cloths and making dry. While I had my lunch, the cloths would dry out in the sun and I would wear them again in the afternoon. Can you understand, my dear students? The same way the pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of cloths the following morning too. Have you understood the difficulty of Sachin? Yes, the same cloth should be wear at the morning session as well as the evening session. So he was every practice. After the practice, he washed his cloth and wear to the next session. The system worked well apart from my pockets. That means everything dried except the pockets because நம்மளுக்கே தெரியும் இல்லையா, துணி காய போடும்போது எல்லா இடமும் குயிக்காக வந்து இதாக ட்ரை ஆகிடும், பட் பாக்கெட் ஒன்லி கெட்டிங் wet. The same way, there was never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely. And for the entire duration of the camp, I played with wet pockets. Did you? Yes, students. By the middle of the summer camp, Sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of the 2 months, after the 2 months, Sachreka Sir getting interest his batting informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer. Important word. The congratulating word from the Achareka sir, that is to Ajit, Achareka sir told Sachin had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practiced all year around. That means after getting so much of practice, he will be a good cricketer, is told by Achareka sir to Ajit. However, my school, the new English school in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities, and sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted cricket seriously, because in Bandra there is no importance in cricket. So Achareka sir instructed Sachin and his family to change the school and getting interested in cricket. The same way, his father accepted. One evening, Sir called my father and put forward his suggestion. Ajit was in the room with my father at the end time, and the both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. If Sachin's priority is cricket, then the father was ready to change the school. The same way, my father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objection to my changing schools, and I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. So after the suggestion of Achareka sir, my father sat before me and asked me if I played the cricket seriously or it's just a time pass. Do you imagine, my dear students, what was the answer from Sachin's mouth? Yes, I assured him I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Siddhashram Vidya Mandir, the school where Achareka sir was the cricket coach. So, after Sachin's approval, father changed Sachin to Siddhashram Vidya Mandir, where Achareka sir was the coach, cricket coach. All my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket. So Achareka sir gave more importance to his cricket career. So, and also Sachin transformed his energy, all the energies, into cricket, which acted as a kind of safety valve. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort. So my father, that means Sachin's father, always advised him and asked him to do his best effort without worrying about the result. That is an important thing. So don't worry about the result. You have to do your best, was told by, yes, Sachin's father. Okay, students, after Achareka sir's practice, how Sachin got so many awards, we will see in the part 2 video. Before to that, I wish to show you the glossary. First one, emulate, to watch or surpass, typically by imitation. That means pinpattrudal, to see and follow. Next one, mannerisms, a habitual gesture or way of speaking or behaving, to act like the exact person. That means say hey, that is called mannerism. Next one, overawed, impressed so much that they are silent or inhabited. That means to get feared. Next one, impact, a marked effect or influence. That means takam. Next one, induction. Already you know the word induction. Yes, the action or progress of including someone to an organization. இணைத்துக் கொள்ளுதல், that is called induction. Next one, circuit, an established itinerary of events or venues used for a particular activity, typically involving sport. That means the surrounding, சுற்று வட்டாரத்தில். That means circuit. We use this word in casual, in our circuit, like that. That is mine, circuit. Next one, insistence. That means the fact or quality of insisting that something is the case or should be done. That means to impress them to do the work. That means valiyuruthal. Next one, capable, capable or skill, having the ability, fitness or quality necessary to do or achieve a specified thing. You are capable. What is your capable? Sometimes we asked, what is your capable? உன்னுடைய skill என்ன, திறன். So what is your skill? Like that. Next one, nervous. You know this word well. Anyhow, easily agitated or alarmed. That means getting frightened. That means nervous, பதட்டமாகிறது. Pretended, behave so as to make it appear that something is the case when in fact it is not. To act like that, pretend. The dog pretended as a dead. செத்தது போல் நடித்தல்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, that is பாசாங்கு. That means pretended or pretend. Scrutinizing, examine or inspect closely and thoroughly. During the examination, we are scrutinizing you. That is the exact meaning. Examine, we are watching in-depthly. Inspect, inspection. Okay, closely and thoroughly. Araidal, that is exact meaning of scrutinizing. Seeing is a normal view, my dear students. Scrutinizing, we have to look very carefully to find out the mistakes. That is called scrutinizing. Okay students, this is the time for homework. I completed part 1 video from your first prose learning the game. On Friday I will send you the part 2 of this lesson. Read the lesson completely twice, my dear students. Then read all the synonym and antonyms from this first prose. Write test and send to me through WhatsApp. Okay students, take care. I will send you the next video soon.